Good evening, you're watching the news now. Let's move today's headline.
To promote invention, innovation, and incubation under the mentorship of industry pioneers, Lieutenant Manoj Sinha inaugurated the Center for Invention, Innovation, Incubation and Training at the Government Polytechnic set up at the cost of Rs 181.56 crore. Congratulating the officials of CIIT Jammu and Tata Technology, the Lieutenant Governor said that promise made by him on December 7th last year during the inauguration of CIIT Baramulla for the speedy completion of Jammu Center has been fulfilled. For the Amarnath Yatra 2021, online advance passenger registration process will be started from April 15. In this arrangement, Shiva devotees will be able to register themselves online for the Yatra by visiting the respective website of Sri Amarnath Shrine Board. The traveler has to provide his or her details, photographs and compulsory health certificate during the online application. In 1948, despite repeated word of mouth, Pakistan kept plotting in Rajouri, be it 1965 or 1971, and after that, in the name of terror, it kept on airing the conspiracy to smuggle Rajouri, but all its plans were demolished in front of the security forces and the spirit of nationalists here. On this occasion, to pay tribute to brave soldiers in Rajouri, hoisted the white flag as a symbol of peace and paid tribute to the soldiers by singing and dancing. Devotees started arriving at Mata Vaishno Devi Court on the first Navratra. The pilgrimage started the journey from Darshan Bal Ganga in the early morning following the COVID rules. However, as Corona has increased once again, travel is seeing an impact. The number of devotees is much lower than before. India today reported 161,736 new cases of COVID-19 during the past 24 hours, pushing the total case tally to 1,36,89,453. The data by the Union Ministry stated the death toll mounted to 1,71,058, with 879 more fatalities in the past day. The fatality rate stood at 1.25%. The BSE Sensex on today recovered points to 48,033.74 in opening session following gains in materials, finance, energy and goods and services stocks. The Nifty 2 rose by 62.45 points to 14,373.25. Russian Sputnik vaccine got approval from Subject Expert Committee for Emergency Use Authorization, making it the third COVID vaccination to get clearance in India. Moreover, as plea has been filed in the Supreme Court challenging the central decision on COVID-19 vaccination only to the age groups above 45 years and sought doses for all citizens.
For more updates, keep watching the news now.